channel. I'm Zsuzsanna and I was a study abroad student last year in America. Today's video is for every exchange student or study abroad student or any other person who has bought shirts which they don't like anymore. This video is particularly for my exchange year shirts, but you can do this DIY with like any shirt you don't like anymore. So I was in high school in the US and I got like every single shirt that got in front of me. I would just keep every shirt, and it was kind of my style because, like, you know, high school style is usually just like big t-shirts and leggings or something. So my style kind of transformed into that. But coming back to Europe, it's just so not what people wear, and it's not what I wear anymore. I just took all my high school shirts I didn't like anymore, or I just didn't wear anymore, and turned them into nice crop tops or other styled shirts, which I actually do like now. Let's get into it. In the next clip, you will see all the before t-shirts. So I also had a boyfriend jeans which didn't really look good anymore. The holes were just too big to me, so I just cut them to shorts. So then we just tried to pull out those blue jean strings or whatever they're called, and this is how it looks like. Let's start with our first t-shirt method, and that's the elastic band one. So what you want to do is, of course, measure where you want to cut your shirt, but leave enough space for an elastic band to go in and for your hem too. So what I used here is like a sticky band because I don't have a sewing machine. So I just stuck them on there, and yes, that's a different shirt because I forgot to film it with the first one. But anyway, you just iron this on or sew it however you want to do it, and then you grab an elastic band and just try to pull it through the t-shirt. And what I did here, because my t-shirt was too loose because I cut the top part off as well, I just had to sew that a little bit tighter so it would fit me better. Yeah, that's what I basically did with this one. I am doing the same exact method with the second shirt. Just mark your cut your shirt, turn over the edges with enough space for the elastic to go in, secure it, and just put your glue band or fabric glue or whatever you're using to stick it together, and iron it on or whatever you need to do, and pull the elastic through. And that's the whole thing. It's nothing more, nothing less. There it is. This next method is a little easier than the first one because all you need to do is leave out the elastic. You can sew this or use the same glue band again, and just mark your cut it, and put that glue band on and iron it. It's that easy. Our last method for today is literally the easiest ever, and all you gotta do is just make a straight cut and leave it like that. You don't need to do anything else, and this is actually like my favorite version, and I did this to most of my t-shirts, as you can see now. What a wonderful world. Missing someone with all your missing someone Hey guys, sorry this quality is so bad. I literally forgot to turn on my extension cord to charge my camera, so it was not charging all this time, and I'm like, oh my god. This was me trying to flip or DIY my high school shirts from my exchange year. Like I said, you can do this with every shirt you want or you don't like anymore. I really hope you like this video. If you like my new intro and the new effects, then please leave a comment because I don't know how you guys like this. So if I should continue doing that, then please subscribe and leave a like and a comment so I know. The rain is getting loud, I'm sorry. Alright, leave a thumbs up if you like this and see you next time, bye!